For this taper tutorial, we're going to start out by creating the ball guideline with the trimmer. Next, I'm going to take the clipper with the lever fully open and create a guideline. Next, I fully close the lever and begin to gradually blend up, opening the lever as I go up. Here I slightly open the lever and continue to blend. Repeat the same step again. Next, I take the number 0 guard with the lever fully open and make another guideline. With the 0 guard still on and the lever fully open, I just smooth down the hair on the sides. Now I fully close the lever and begin to blend up. Now I open the lever about halfway and blend in between that 0 open and 0 closed. Now I come back and clean up the bottom of that guideline with the lever fully open on the clipper. I'm detailing as I go. Next, I take the 1.5 guard and I begin with the lever fully open. And I'm not going higher than this guard. So now I begin to blend down with the lever fully closed. And now the last step is to connect the blend in the middle. So here I take the number 1 guard with the lever fully closed. And now I slightly open it. Notice that I'm careful not to raise the fade too high. Next, I come back with no guard on and the lever is fully open, once again smoothing down the sides, and this helps everything blend together. Once again, I'm detailing as I go. And then lastly, I come back with the 0 guard one more time just to do my final detailing. This is what really makes the blend blurry, going back and touching up any dark spots that you may see. That's the difference between a good haircut and a great haircut. Now all that's left to do is to line up the client. Keep everything as natural as possible. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. The same thing goes for the vertical bars. Don't push it in too far. Just take off just enough to get you a sharp line. And notice here how I'm not trying to take off a lot of hair. I'm taking off the minimal amount of hair as I can while still getting a sharp edge. And that's how you do a taper. Thanks for watching.